Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the repeat vacuum mode on your VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum robot. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and make sure that our vacuum cleaner is connected to the app. Then we can click on our vacuum cleaner in the app, and now click on the three dots on the top right here, and right here on the top you have the repeat vacuuming mode. So once you enable it, you can head back and click on start, and it's going to enable that. But do keep in mind that it works only once, so once it's done cleaning, if you want to use it again, you're going to have to head back to this to the three dots section and enable it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.